What up, kaiju friends and fans? Phil the Kaiju King back again. Another quick video here on a Monday evening. This here fella, I got the same time as I got the Shingeki Goji 3D printed. This is the Heisei version 3D printed model. It is stylized. Like I've said, I think pretty much all of them on that site are stylized. Got it from Carpenter 3D Customs on Etsy. It's roughly, now the other one, the Shingeki Goji, I don't think he's quite the 15 inches tall, but I think this one is because he is bigger and taller and overall even more bigger than the Shingeki Goji I showed a few videos ago. But it's pretty cool looking stylized Heisei Godzilla here. Going Heisei on this one. This is my third one of many I'm probably eventually going to get over time. Just take my time about it and get them as I can. But they're really cool. I like them a lot. Stylization is heavy on them, but really heavy on some, and different varieties of stylization on these in my opinion. But it's pretty cool nonetheless. It's a pretty big figure too. You can see, here it is in my hands. It's a really big, huge figure here. The tail goes down and touches and goes straight up and then curls back. I like the positioning of the tail. It's pretty cool. Very pretty long tail on this custom Heisei 3D printed stylized Godzilla. You can see, got a charcoal, really dark charcoal skin here, almost black. The dorsal plates actually look pretty good, I think. Like I said in another video, his wife does the painting of them, and they're pretty good, I think. You can see the feet there. Big, thick Heisei legs here on this figure. Suit wrinkling here in the thighs and stuff. Looks pretty good. Hand claws. Hands. Chest. Muscular looking Heisei chest like the Heisei Godzilla has. Of course. Here on the head and the mouth. Eye is white with a yellow and black pupil, looks like. Inside the mouth. Really big. So got some remnants of the styrofoam on his tail on the bottom. I can eventually get that off. I'm not real worried about it right now. It's kind of out of sight, out of mind. As you can see, it's really a nice 3D printed resin. It is resin, as I've said with the others. It is a resin figure. It's pretty cool though. Glad I went ahead and grabbed one of these Heisei ones. It's pretty neat. We'll do some comparisons with this here feller. Let's move on to that now. Here's my X Plus Heisei Godzilla 1993 Sakai. I didn't bring his tail stand along. All right, we'll do some more comparisons. Let's do that now. All right, here's my X Plus 30 centimeter Shin Godzilla orthochromatic version. All right, one more couple comparisons here. We'll do that now. Alright, y'all, here are the three I have currently, the 3D printed. The Shoshinkeki Goji, the Heisei Goji, and the -1. Alright, we'll move on to some final thoughts here. Let's do that now. Alright, everyone, I'm back. 3D printed Heisei Godzilla, about 15 inches tall, pretty big 3D printed resin figure. Nicely done, nicely painted. I think I like it. Really awesome figure here. I'm glad I grabbed it. Alright, everyone, I'll close out my video. I want to thank everyone that tunes in. This is Phil the Kaiju King. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.